What's up guys, in this video we will talk about a smartwatch called DIZO Watch R Talk. You know, this is the first device from DIZO that I will be testing. You may not even heard of DIZO brand. It is already very popular in some countries, such as India. Actually, DIZO is a Realme sub-brand. I think you know about Realme, especially their high-quality smartphones, so you can trust DIZO. As you understand from the name of the new DIZO smartwatch, its main feature is Bluetooth calling. We will test the microphone and the speaker quality in this video. But first, let's do unboxing and look at the design of the watch. So you can see the image of smartwatch, its name and even Realme TechLife inscription on the front of the box. There are also main features of the watch on the side and specs on the back. By the way, I thought that I have a global version of the watch, because the inscriptions on the box are in English, but there is the price in Indian rupees on the box. The main market for this watch is probably India. Inside the box, we can see the smartwatch itself. There is also a magnetic charging cable and user manual in the package. You know, the price of the new DIZO Watch R Talk is about $60, but it looks very stylish and even premium. I think this is because of the metal frame around the screen. The physical buttons are made of stainless steel. As you can see, I have a classic black color version, but the watch is also available in silver gray color. The dimensions of the watch are 46 by 46 by 11.5 mm. The weight with the strap is 135 grams. Talking about the strap, it is made of soft silicone and it has a width of 22 mm. You can easily remove it and replace it with any other strap of the same width. By the way, the front panel is completely curved with a tempered glass, even the bezel. This makes the watch more reliable. In addition, this Watch R Talk is fully washable. You can take a shower with this watch, but I think it is better not to dive into the pool. On the back of the watch, there are magnetic charging pins, as well as heart rate sensor and SpO2 sensor, so the new DIZO smartwatch looks very nice. You know, although the watch has many sports modes, it has a business style. Talking about display, it has a diagonal of 1.39 inches, AMOLED panel at resolution of 360 by 360 pixels. The maximum brightness is 500 nits. You can see the screen very well outside. Another feature of this smartwatch is always-on display. In the settings, you can choose digital or analog watch face for always-on display. I like the analog one because it looks very minimalistic. Now let's talk about other functions of DIZO Watch R Talk. First, there are 5 watch faces available out of the box. However, you can choose from more than 150 watch faces in the app on smartphone. Then you can swipe down to see the new notifications. A quick settings menu is located on the left from the main screen. Here we can see a Bluetooth connection, phone calling and battery level. We can also go to the settings menu, change your screen brightness, do not disturb mode, battery saving mode and Bluetooth connection. By the way, in Bluetooth connection, we can turn on/off call audio and media audio. We will test the Bluetooth calling a little later. And then you can swipe left to see a screen with daily activity, such as taps, calories, measure heart rate, check sleep records, and weather forecast. There is also a music player. You cannot upload the music on the watch, because it doesn't have a storage, but you can control the music on your smartphone using a smartwatch. That's very good. If you swipe up from the main watch face, you will find all the apps and functions of the watch, such as dial to enter a phone number and call, contact person, call records, voice assistant, activity data, heart rate, SpO2, sleep, workout records, alarm clock, weather, stopwatch, timer, music, camera, breath training, find my phone, female health, and settings. In the settings menu, first we have a display settings. Here we can change a watch face. Choose a screen time, always on display, and screen on time. The new watch also has 3 menu styles, such as minimalist, list, and smart. You know, I'm very surprised to see the vibration settings on this watch. You can turn it off or choose a soft or strong vibration. There are also many different languages available on the watch. In the battery settings, we can check a battery level and turn on or off a power saving mode. You can also scan a QR code to download a companion app on smartphone. The feed notifications include sanitary reminder, goal achieved, drink water reminder, and heart rate reminder. In the system settings, we can power off, reset or reboot the watch. That's all the functions and settings of DIZO Watch R Talk. Now I want to show you the app on smartphone. The application has a simple name of DIZO. You can download it on Android and iOS devices. On the home screen, we can see the steps and calories for the day. Then we can go to the dial center and choose a new watch face. There is also a sleep duration, heart rate, and SpO2 on the home screen. You know the new DIZO watch doesn't have a built-in GPS, but it uses a GPS in a smartphone to track your movement. There's an outdoor run, outdoor walk, and outdoor cycle in the app. On this screen, you can tap on the watch and upgrade the software, change a unit and time format. By the way, you can add the new sports modes to the watch. Actually, there are only 12 sports modes available on the watch, but if you need more, then you can upload them from the app. There's also a camera function in the app, so you can choose a smartwatch to take photos on mobile device. Then you can turn on/off notifications, as well as choose the apps that can send the notifications. In the reminder settings, there is sanitary reminder and drinking reminder. The heart rate settings have all-day monitoring, moderate heart rate warning, and high heart rate value. In the communication settings, you can choose up to 10 favorite contacts for a quick dial-in from the watch. By the way, let's check how the Bluetooth calls work. First, you can enter a phone number using a dial on the watch. As already said, you can also choose up to 10 favorite contacts, and then you just need to click on one of them to make a call. You can also take a phone call when somebody calls on your mobile device. As for the quality, let's check it out. What's up guys, I am talking to you through the watch now. Do you hear me well? 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Finally, we can talk about battery of DIZO Watch R Talk. It has a capacity of 300 mAh, and this is enough for 10 days of normal use. If you make many calls, the battery life will be about 5 days. Anyway, I think this is a very good battery life for a budget smartwatch with a big screen and many useful functions. I am very pleasantly surprised by the new DIZO watch. It has a nice design with a metal frame, a big Amoled screen with always-on display, many functions including Bluetooth calling, sports modes, heart rate and SpO2 measurements, as well as decent battery life. For the price of $60, this is probably the best smartwatch on the market in 2022. Thank you for watching this video. See you soon on Tech Brothers YouTube channel.